This is Ted with Commute by Bike. I participated in the 2012 National Bike Summit bike ride, which began at the Grant Memorial in front of the U.S. Capitol. That's Grant up there on the horse. And this guy? That's Tom Bodden, a conservative cycling advocate from Richmond, Virginia. Check this out. He turns left when the rest of the cycling advocates turn right. It was a beautiful day for a bike ride. We had a great view of the Capitol, and we also got to see where the House Committee on Transportation and Infrastructure gets its ideas. This is a new pedestrian and bike bridge that connects Diamond Teague Park and Yards Park. It's designed to look like a coronary stent to encourage exercise. And these are the bike lanes right down the middle of America's Main Street, Pennsylvania Avenue. And I kind of ran a red light there, sorry. And the ride ended where it began, at the U.S. Capitol. I said goodbye to my new friends, and then I cycled off the way I'm used to, alone, under a canopy of cherry trees. This is Ted with Commute by Bike. Thanks for watching. See you next year.